Hello, what's up? So, I've been doing a lot of research on how to make videos look better. And the first obvious thing you may think is like, buy a new camera, which is like, yeah, makes sense. But look at the prices of these cameras. Look at it. No, sir, we don't have that kind of money, all right? So, it's like, what is another way to make your camera look good? I'm filming on my phone right now, right? Lighting, right? So right now I'm using this window light and I have just a little lamp over there. Ooh, anyway, sorry. Yeah, I have a little lamp over there. So today I received a light. I bought the light, but for free. I bought the light but for free because I have a credit card and I get cash back, and I just saved up all the cash back. So I essentially spent $0 for this light. Anyway, so having a light or like a softbox could really enhance how any camera looks, even this cheap, well, it's not a cheap iPhone, it's an iPhone. I did spend 2 years paying for it though, with the help of my parents. But anyway, I will bring the box over. Box. Knife. Box and knife, okay? Okay. A little carrying bag. This is the softbox thing, okay? And the white thing. It is the stand. Also, this was only $50, so kind of affordable. I assume this is a bulb. Remote. Ooh. And remote. Comes with a remote. Kind of fresh. All right. I am going to try to set this up. Let me see what we have here. It works. See that? It works. Okay. Off. It also has a little switch right here. Off. I started watching Moon Knight. I don't know if you've seen Moon Knight. Pretty alright. Kind of cool. On Disney Plus. I use my friend's Disney Plus. You'd think I paid for that? Absolutely not. I don't know if that was a crime that I just said. That statement. Do not arrest me. It's turned on. It do be kind of warm. Wow, yeah. I'm gonna be sweating making videos. Ooh, cinematic. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Ew. Gross background. But let's see. It's supposed to be like at a 45-degree angle. And this is the front camera. Ooh, yeah. I know you like that. Okay, watch this. Watch this, right? Don't tell me it do not come with batteries. I'm gonna okay. And it's AAA. Who used AAA batteries? I'm not gonna get batteries. I'll get them some other time. But anyway, I mean, just looking at this right now, like, this looks quite nice. Yeah, so if you tap the screen on your iPhone and you can lower the exposure. So that's how I'm doing this. Whoa. Like, see? The dark, moody feel. All right. Anyway. That's the end of the video. Okay, I lied. I got batteries. So let's see if this works. Okay, it works. Okay, now let's see what this does. Ooh, you see the color temperature changed? Okay, let's see. Okay. Watch it on my face, right? So it's kind of like orange light, blue light. Cool, yeah, that was it. Bye.